video. I got my tactical scissors. We're going to open this up. This one is a 7-inch barrel EMG jet black Hellbreaker. Let's open it up. We got Sharp Spreader logo, and once again, nothing beats real steel packaging. Most real ARs and pistols used to come in plain brown boxes. Fun fact of the day. So here we go. Haha. I'm liking it. 7-inch T-Mod rail, rubberized grip with back strap, 300 high cap, authenticity card. Ready? I know I'm not singing, but this is killer. This is gonna be awesome on the battlefield. You got your polymer flip-up sights, not spring activated. That's okay. Probably gonna put a T1 sight or some other kind of red dot on here. You got your amoeba polymer stock, and that is a prized piece. That's right, that is the Hellbreaker, modeled after the P-40 Warhawk from World War II, because go US. That's the EMG Hellbreaker.
Sometimes I cannot take this place. Sometimes it's my life I can't taste. Sometimes I cannot feel my face. You'll never see me fall.
Go. Yeah?
Sometimes I cannot